What is that achievement? Achievement cannot be defined like this. Achievements are sometimes, unless you work hard, you won't get it. I'm a person who never thought of it, in fact. To achieve something, I have not done it. Satisfaction was of a work, social work. When Vandani Hindurday Samrat Shivsena Prabhu Balasaheb Thackeray has formed an organization with the principle of 80% social work, 20% politics, and to render the best services to the sons of the soils. And it was a fact at that time, the sons of the soils were deprived of their legitimate rights. Underline this word, legitimate rights. And their jobs and everything were snatched. Therefore, Balasaheb Thackeray has formed Shivsena. And during that we were very young. And naturally every young is a leftist. Always feel a revolutionary, somebody is doing a revolutionary thing. And the best part of was that Balasaheb Thackeray was a different type of orator who always during his oratory used to touch the heart of the people. It appealed us so much so because by that time the Maharashtra was already, separate state was formed. We were not doing it, we were children that time. So automatically once you got the Maharashtra is there, now nothing is remaining. There are other problem issues like border issues. Belgaum, Karwar, Nipadi, Bhalki, all those issues are balanced. But otherwise, what the sons of soils were, she would get job now. Independent Marathi speaking state is already formed. But then it was not so. So he used to write one article, he used to write editorial, he used to write one column in the weekly, Marmik. Vacha adi thanda basa. Read and keep cool. It is the sarcastic one, where you can understand what he wants to say. Being a cartoonist, used to have a read between the lines. So there he said, he used to print out the list of the people who are working in the company and how many people from Sons of Soils are there. You find it sparingly. And therefore people got agitated. This is what injustice is being done. And then Shivsena was born. So naturally we got attracted and we used to work social work only, nothing else. Small corporation election took place in 1968. Mumbai Mahanagarpalika. Shivsena first time contested 44 seats around that time. And we were young in it, participate in the campaign. Lovely life. Not unlike this, those were the better days than this. No media, only newspapers, no time limits. So propaganda, but no corruption also, not that heavy corruption. As people think of paying money, no money was there. Shivsena is the only organization I can say where a real true common man has no history of a political history or no industrial history, have become corporators, mayors, chairmen, then MLAs, ministers, parliamentarians. The only party where the Sainik itself used to spend money from his own pocket. Still he used to enjoy it. हम लोग वड़ा पाव खाते थे, कुछ नहीं, एक बटाटा वड़ा और पाव खा लिया बस हो गया, कुछ नहीं, पैसा बांटो, इसको दे दो, ये मंडल को दे दो, या nothing was there. This has come, you can say from 90s it has started. 66 to 90 I have not seen any election with money. But after the emergence of can say even 77 when Janata Dal came, it was a thought, may you like it or do not like it. Jayaprakash Narayan's movement throughout the country, did they spend the money? Indira Gandhi lost the election. Where was the money? 85, there was an election. With whether there was the money, we came and ruled in Mumbai. Just on a thought. So thought provoking was there. And with that thought provocation, we used to work hard. Today it is the money, muscle, but it has come from the rural areas. It is the other way.
But this time there was some Modi Lahar.
It was not Modi Lahar. It was there definitely.
Development.
But definitely.
Changes.
Definitely. But still I'll say, the money part was there.
Exactly.
See, the lavishly we were conducting rallies.
I agree.
I said it in the house. I said it in the house.
Okay.
When the other day the black dhan ka black money discussion came, the bill came, I said, We all parliamentarians sitting in the house. How many of you have not used the black money? Anybody has won? I said it is a God's grace, Bala Sahib's Ashirwad and Uddhavji's prerna. We have won not done neither the black dhan nor goda dhan. कुछ भी नहीं है. नौकरी करने वाला आदमी हो गया.
Right. Union.
I am an employee of the company. I was an employee. So we were working. Even in elections, we used to participate. Party never said. Bala Sahib used to say, Arvind, tomorrow औरंगाबाद जाना है. I mean, we used to call संभाजी नगर. जाओगे? हाँ जाएंगे. अच्छा जाते हो पैसा? बस बाला साहब के लिए कुछ भी जाएंगे. हम अपनी तनख्वाह से खर्चा खींचा करते छुट्टी मार के जाते थे, पार्टी का काम करते थे. ये हमारी जनरेशन, ये शिवसेना की जनरेशन है. थ्रू आउट द कंट्री विल नॉट फाइंड एनीवेयर इन द
या कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार रहते थे.
हम अपने पैसे जाकर जिले में काम करते थे. पार्टी को आज भी जाकर पूछे कि हमने इनको पैसा दिया और जिले में भेजा. अब वो आएगा, वो गंदगी इधर भी आई. अब तो एवरी बड़ी फिजर तुम्हारे पैसा देने में क्या अर्ज है, ऐसा होता है. So that was not there. फिर मैं 80 यहाँ हमने एमटेल में लोकाधिकार समिति की स्थापना की. वी फॉर्म्ड लोकाधिकार समिति है
इन
1984. There was a recruitment in the MTEL for the JTO career, Junior Telecom, Junior Engineers Cadre. MTEL was formed. It has become a public sector. It is not a government sector no more. They said, how can you recruit directly when there is a regional employment exchange? Why don't you ask to the regional employment exchanges for vacancies? When their vacancies are there, call them from there. This act is there. Today also that act is not being followed. One unemployed man has to supposed to register his name there. All the private companies are supposed to inform the employment exchanges. We need such people. They should supply it. If you want
all private companies.
Everybody has to do the same thing. Nobody is following, including government now. Nobody is following that. We went to that law. I asked them, is incorrect? And that time 350 vacancies were there in MTNL. We made an agitation and saw to it that all were selected from Sons of Soil. Caste creed is not important. Region is also not. They were UP people, they were Gujaratis, but they were born and brought in Maharashtra.
Exactly.
They should get preference. If the Pandey is living in Mumbai for so long, his children there will get job.
Exactly.
In UP?
Right, never.
He should get a priority. He has become a Sons of Soil. We never say that, but the Bhaiya ko hatao, usko hatao. That is a different part of story. The Sons of Soil should be defined and should be looked into with that domain. The domain is different in that way. And therefore, we fought for that. All 350 people I got recruited. Emergence of Arvind Sawant as a leader had come out. People thought he can lead now. Right. Then immediately the people started. And when the union was formed, people asked me to lead. And then union was formed. Through union, I have contested 5 elections for recognition warrior.
Okay.
The gangsters, Arun Gowli, the other people, Narayan Rade's followers, then Sarbalkar, so many came warrior. Everybody.
In the union or MLA?
Union. Secret ballot elections are being held.
I see.
Including Bhai Jagtap now. Okay. We are defeating 5 elections. I have won. I will not hold a collar of any person. You know, we never catch a collar of any person. It's a thought. It's the way we have made agreements, we have made delivered goods. Right. People like, we have made that their life now. This is the only union in the world, I mean in the country I can say, which has the best agreement in the country. You will find it, how you say it, like, you can prove it. Not a single union has made an agreement like me, what I have done at once.
How many members in this particular union? Which you were
we had around, earlier we used to have around 20-25,000. Now employees are less. Okay. So 15,000, 16,000 members are there. Reduction has taken place. No more recruitment. 1984 onward, there is no recruitment. Then when the Shivsena came on rule in 1995, during this period, Balasaheb used to give a responsibility. Arvind, you look after these districts. So I used to look at Jalgaon, guardian minister like that. Then in 1994, he gave me a responsibility for entire North Maharashtra. Jalgaon, Dhule, Nandurbar and Nashik. So we were doing it for so long. 1985, I was 85, I was in Solapur. 1992, Jalgaon. 1992 to 94, Jalgaon 94 onwards till 2005, all those 4 districts, like a guardian minister I was in charge. So, union, that work, both this work I was doing it, and Balasaheb used to observe it. And suddenly in 1995, when we came on power, the rally which was held at Nashik, I was the part and parcel, took a major part in that total conference which was done in Nashik that time. After 1995, when we came in power, we were happy. चलो इतना एक काम किया अभी आगे. 1996, the post for MLCs, 12 MLCs are being nominated by the governor. In between, Balasaheb, once I got a feeler that the ST Mahamandal is there. In 1998, ST's union was formed. And Balasaheb asked me in Pune, you have to look after this ST also. So I toured entire Maharashtra
State, okay.
with ST bus. No one in this state has toured the entire Maharashtra through the
ST bus.
ST bus. I'm the only person toured entire. And I became the president of that union also now.
Okay.
So naturally Balasaheb was looking at me, how I am doing, how I am sincere. And suddenly in 1996 he called me one day, कल आ जाना, and said, मैं तुला आमदार करतोय. मैं बोला नहीं. I said no, I don't want it. मैं अच्छा हूँ, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट है, मिडिल क्लास मेंटेलिटी में पेंशन जाएगी, इसके चक्कर में कौन मरेगा, सारा रोजी रोटी भी जाएगी, पेंशन भी जाएगी. गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट को पेंशन मिलती है, इसमें क्या चक्कर के दुख बना. फिर एक दो इंसिडेंट ऐसे हुए कि बालासाहब ने कहा लोग यहाँ लाइन लगाते हैं, मैं तुझे दे रहा हूँ, नाम होता है, क्या बात है. बालासाहब को पहला माइल्ड अटैक आया था पुणे में 22 January 1996. बालासाहब had मी येतोय कार्यक्रम येतोय. और उस वक्त उन्होंने मुझे, हम लोग पुणे में रहे, भूषण थे आगे कल बोलूँ, पुणे में रहे तो दूसरे दिन हम लोग चिंतित थे, सब देखने गए. मैं नमस्कार करके वापस आया तो बोले, अरे यू वांट टू गो बैक, मैं तुमको दे रहा हूँ, तुम ना बोलते हो. बैठ इधर, क्या हो गया, तुम क्या प्रॉब्लम है. पेंशन का प्रॉब्लम है. शाम को मुख्यमंत्री आएंगे, बताएंगे कितनी पेंशन मिलती है. सर मेरी इतनी फिरकी ले रहे थे, पूछो मत. शाम को मनोहर जोशी सर उनको देखने आए तो बोले, सर त्याला आमदार करायचं है, इसको कितनी पेंशन मिलने वाली है. सर ने भी बहुत फिरकी ले ली, बट द लाइफ हैज चेंज, और बालासाहब ने मुझे विधायक बनाया. सो आई बिकेम द MLC. बोलूंगे ना मामते, आई बिकेम द MLC. 6 years term, I became the MLC. And in the first term, when I spoke in the assembly, I was never a corporator, never any other
Political, yeah.
My first speech became the best speech of the assembly.
Lovely.
And I got this award. Award given by Commonwealth Parliamentary Association in there, CPA, Maharashtra branch. And they decide every year best speech, best parliament. I got this prize. And you can see Alexander is talking to me, laughing me. He was a governor that time. Alexander said, "Are you are a new one? You got it first." That is the remarks from him.
मतलब you have the leadership born in.
मेरे जो फिर उधर है, फिर 2001 में टर्म खत्म हुई, तब तक जिले का काम तो करता रहा. फिर वो हमारा सरकार नहीं आई, फिर घर बैठे वजह फिर यार नौकरी नहीं करी. अभी विधायक का भी काम करता हूँ वहाँ. 15,000 पेंशन मिलती थी. मेरी मिसेज आज भी नौकरी करती है.
MDN में?
माय मिसेज इज स्टिल वर्किंग. तो गया सब. अभी 2004 में फिर दोबारा एक चांस आ गया, तो साहब ने फिर दोबारा बुलाया. To love, see the blessings and love and affection. Because even if the MLC was not there, I used to work for the party. Full timer. I became a full timer for the party then. And during my course of time, the responsibilities, all MLAs from my northern area, maximum MLAs I got elected. Maximum municipal corporations I elected during my leadership. My tenure in Nashik, we had a mayor, we had a member of parliament. In Jalgaon, we had a member of parliament, both the member of parliaments. We had the alliance also. 5 MLAs from Jalgaon itself we got elected during my, out of 10.
50%.
12, sorry, out of 12. 6 seats were BJP, 6 seats were Shiv Sena. And out of 6, 5 were, we won 5. So during my tenure only. So this was the, so Balasaheb used to appreciate and used to work hard. Till date also, we work hard.
Yeah.
2004 में दोबारा बनाया दिया हमने. फिर 2010 में खत्म हुई. फिर हमारी पार्टी से सीट पर नहीं मिली. उद्धव साहब बोले so many people are aspiring. And I said, okay, have the idea. But we continue to work for the party. And 2014, Uddhav sir called me, where you want to contest, Mumbai or Ratnagiri, tell me. That, God bless him. I said, okay, Mumbai, what is there? Milind Devara, how, so what?
Everybody has predicted.
2 examples I'll give. One is the first turning point. Goenka's residence, a small meeting was held. I was shocked to see. They were invited me. मैं बोला 300 लोगों के सामने बाबू मैं इतना छोटा आदमी हो गया इतने बड़े लोग इसके लिए बोला मालूम है चलो कुछ पैसे भी से देते होंगे चुनाव के लिए जाएंगे. There were so many guests, elite class guests were there. Somebody introduced me and then they asked me so many questions. I went on and said, give a small speech. People like it. Somebody asked me, Arey Arvind Sawant ji, I don't know who is Arvind Sawant.
Ah, exactly. So many.
They go, exactly.
From the many media.
So what a spontaneous reaction, see. And that reaction was there also. And then they said, we were searching on Google, you were not there. Why you are searching me on Google? I am on the earth, yaar.
अच्छे फोटो भी नहीं है Google पे सही बात है.
I said, you are searching me on Google, I am there on the earth. Search me on earth, I am there with you. They laughed and they loved it. There I got them. Again, people like it. It's a very down to earth Marsan. Then somebody invited me in the stock exchange. Milind Devara was there, myself was there. They used to tell us 5-10 minutes you speak and then we'll ask you questions. So I spoke 10 minutes, he too spoke. And he said 2 things were there. One is that my presence in the parliament is more than the national average. And I have done this and I have done that. Then I told him, Mr. Milind Devara. Then in that case, I was twice MLC. I was MLC twice. So 12 years. And during all 12 years, my presence is 100% in the party. I said, what would say now? What is that national average? I'm 100% present in the party, assembly. And then as for second thing, I said, Milind Devara, you have said so many things you have done, but there is an idiom in English which says, man is known by the company he keeps. You are in a company which is known as a corrupt company. Do you feel Congress is a corrupt company? Established themselves as a corrupt. Do you feel corruption is a feather in your cap? Then in that case, there are a number of feathers in your cap. Of scams and scandals. People clapped in the stock exchange. Huh? Arvind Sawant, go ahead, Baba. You are winning now. ऐसे करते रहा फिर many debates used to take place. The last debate was at the Altamount Road. And there Singapore media, all those people came out. Again, all that elite class was sitting. They wanted to humiliate me. So they asked me a question. Is it that why Shiv Sena is contesting such a weakest candidate against Milind Devara so as to favor Milind Devara and make his way easy to go to parliament? Then I said, no party can afford to contest a candidate who will lose the election. And then I said, look at me. I said like this, look at me. I am the dark horse. And this dark horse is going to win the election. उस वक्त तो पूरा काला हुआ था और भी तमिल का लगता था कैंडिडेट उसका तमिलनाडु का कैंडिडेट तमिलनाडु का कैंडिडेट खड़ा किया है. People laughed, people loved it, and we have won by thumping votes, 130,000 majority. By margin of 130,000, I won the election.
Sir, can you tell us something? You're born and brought up
in Mumbai.
Date of birth. What is the date of birth?
31st December.
1951.
51.
Great.
Born Shivdi. Born. Whole life has gone to in Shivdi.
लगता है सब सामने एक ने ही दे दिया, आगे पूछो फटाफट कौन सा.
So what new initiatives have been planned for South Mumbai constituency?
I said it time and again. My South Mumbai constituency, I want the eastern coast to be made vibrant. I need a coastal road, and I want to go for vocational institutions for vocational guidance, vocational for the unemployed youth. I want to work for them. These are my 3 top priorities. I'm working hard for that. Should not make more. Say 2 or 3. Go for that. Coastal road I'm fighting. Vocational training I'm doing. For that only those 2 ladies were sitting just now in front of me.
So how is your party planning to focus on quality education as mentioned in your manifesto?
I said it. First thing is that if you listen to me, my website has been formed now, and in the arvindsound.com you see the speeches of the where while the speech of a president, we speak on that. During that speech I said, earlier also I used to say it, during that speech I said, for a standardized education we should have a standardized formula. What is that standardized formula? Is that the education should be same for all. My argument was that if you go for a medical, the syllabus is same throughout the world, throughout the country. If you go for engineering, the syllabus is same. If you go to law, syllabus is same. Then why for a primary and secondary education syllabus is different? CBSE, ICSE, and then SSC board, let them be. But the syllabus should be same. Let it be in any language, but the syllabus should be same. I'm not saying it should be in English only. It should be in local languages also. But the syllabus should be same. But once you do it, you will find, you tell me, see the results of the IAS exams. Are there convent students in the IAS exam? How many IAS officers are? They are from rural areas. So brilliance is not related to English language.
Correct. Smartness are there, but
Brilliance is not related to language. Brilliance is there, only thing how to exploit it.
correct.
There is a potential. See, North India, they are Hindi speaking states. South India, they have their own languages. And they are staunch opposers of the Hindi. Tamil Nadu people, they never speak in Hindi. They don't want to listen also Hindi. They're different. It's only Maharashtra. It's a big hearted.
That's why it's a Maharashtra.
In Gateway India, in Maharashtra, we have a Gateway of India. It doesn't have a doors. So everybody is increasing inside it. So encroachment is taking place. The same Tamilians and who are in Mumbai, they talk about India, they talk about constitution. Let them go and talk the same thing in Tamil Nadu. Tell their own people, learn Hindi. Let them go to Kerala, tell their own people, learn Marathi, Hindi. We never hated. We never hated any language. In fact, we love to learn languages.
Right.
We only feel is that when the linguistic provinces are made by the government constitutionally, that linguistic state should be given a priority. हमारे एक विचारधारा है मालूम है ना कि अगर भूख लगती है तो खाना खाना है तो प्रकृति है. भूख लगी है खा रहा हूँ तो मेरी प्रकृति है. अब जब खाते समय कोई आ गया भूखा पैसा तो मेरी थाली में से एक रोटी आपको खिलाओ, ये हमारी संस्कृति है. लेकिन जिसको खिला रहा हूँ मेरी थाली छीन लेगा तो विकृति है और विकृति के खिलाफ है. हम अपनी रोटी देने के लिए तैयार है लेकिन हमारी थाली मत छीनो. ये शिवसेना की विचारधारा है. ओके
Sir, what is the planning to resolve the traffic issue in South Mumbai?
It's very serious. That is why I said coastal road.
Coastal road.
Coastal road is priority for that only. You won't be in the railway also. I spoke and I said we need an elevated railway.
Right, because traffic
I have
is serious.
regarding railways also I spoke. See, 2 things I said. Railway should have an elevated railway Because in Mumbai, you do not have a space to expand. In Mumbai is a little bit rectangular, tapering down to south area. So you do not have additional space to make the roads.
Exactly.
The coastal is the only alternative with you.
Right.
Railway also you cannot have extend because there is no either you have to go underneath or you have to go to elevated train.
Exactly.
Elevated train will be the best solution. Churchgate to Virar. What
So
will happen?
you are planning to.
Easily you can go.
So how you are going to get it?
We are following it up with you. Right now, railway doesn't have that much money to go for that. But at least let us think it that way.
Yeah.
Not today, tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Honorable
But if
Prime
you-
Minister
in days
is
to come, somewhere you have to think it that way.
Exactly. PM is
The
bringing
world is
so
going
much.
for a bullet train.
Hmm.
We do not have a local train, so forget about bullet train. You won't believe, I did say when
Smart
people look
city.
at me, when I say in local train also, for a ladies compartment, toilet should be provided, or even for a local train. And I feel, look at during monsoon what happens. The trains are halted in between. It's raining. The woman, you don't expect a woman to jump on. There is a pregnant woman. There are other women. They have got their own sufferings. By the age wise 40s, 50s, they have their own problems. Do you mean to say she has to go? She has to go, jump down. जेंट्स तो साला उठ कूद के किधर भी जाके खड़ा रह जाते हैं. महिला क्या करेगी? मरेगी ना अंदर से अंदर.
Smart city, smart train, smart platform
कभी
is
सोचा
coming.
क्या उस महिला को क्या तकलीफ होती है? मैंने जब बोला तो मेरे पास देखते रह गए. बोला अरे आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर टॉयलेट फॉर ऑल जेंट्स कंपार्टमेंट, एटलीस्ट फॉर लेडीज कंपार्टमेंट. उस वाले कूद के किधर भी आते हैं, वो खुद भी वो चम भी मार के नीचे नहीं उतर सकते हैं.
Right. Exactly. So, do you think there is a possibility of BJP Shiv Sena fallout due to internal disputes between the two parties in the state?
No such thing will happen. See, you know, वो हमारे मराठी में मस्त का तुझा माझा पटेल आणि तुझ्या वाचून जमीन. Both the parties knew that they need each other's support. But tolerance has certain limits
Yeah.
for both the parties. I mean,
Exactly.
we have certain limits.